My name is Jason Perkins, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney that specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I wanted to provide people who've been injured at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law, the benefits available to them under that law. Today, I want to talk to you about getting workers' compensation medical treatment. Medical treatment is one of the primary benefits provided under Georgia's workers' compensation law. If you suffer an injury at work that's covered by workers' compensation generally provides medical treatment and testing that you need as a result of that injury. So if you fall and hurt your back, workers' compensation is going to pay for medical treatment with a doctor for that back injury, including the treatment the doctor recommends, maybe physical therapy or medication or injections, or even if you needed surgery. So what I talk to you about is how you move forward with getting that medical treatment. There are certain rules that apply in Georgia workers' compensation to medical treatment. The basic rule is you can't just go and treat with whichever doctor you want to. Generally, you're limited as to what doctors that you can see. In most workers' compensation cases, you may have to pick a doctor off of your employer's panel of physicians, which is basically a list of workers' compensation doctors that your employer puts together. But if your employer doesn't post a correct panel of physicians, you may be able to pick whichever doctor you want to in that situation. There are some ways to change your doctor and to get second opinions as well. I'm not going to delve into that too deeply in this video because I want to focus on other things that have to do with medical treatment not getting approved. But if you want to learn more about how to change doctors, there's other videos in the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series that cover that topic. Now let's talk about why you don't get the medical treatment you need even when you're treating with a workers' compensation doctor who's authorized. The reason that treatment doesn't happen often is because the insurance company doesn't approve that medical treatment. Insurance companies have learned that doctors are not going to move forward with medical treatment or other medical facilities like physical therapy or a hospital or anywhere else unless they know that they're going to get paid for that treatment that they provide. They want to know that they're going to receive payment. And so how they generally know this is that they receive approval from that treatment from the insurance company to move forward. The insurance company tells them that they're going to pay for it. Well, what happens if the insurance company doesn't tell them that they're going to pay for that treatment? Then the treatment doesn't happen. And what that means is the doctor may recommend some treatment. If the insurance company doesn't approve it, you're not going to get it. So you're going to be stuck in paying with your treatment being denied because it hasn't been approved. So what can you do to move forward and get the medical treatment that you need in this situation? Well, there's several different steps that you or attorney representing you can potentially take. One is to talk to the insurance adjuster to get the insurance adjuster to provide the approval for the treatment to the medical provider. If this happens, then you're going to be able to move forward and get the treatment. What if you or your attorney can't get the insurance company to do that? There are some additional steps that can be taken. There are documents that are published by the State Board of Workers' Compensation, specifically workers' compensation forms, that allow you to potentially move forward and get medical treatment done. There's a form called the Form WC-205 that allows you to request approval for medical treatment, or your doctor requests approval for medical treatment from the insurance adjuster. And there's also a form called the Form WC-PMT that allows you to file it with the State Board of Workers' Compensation requesting approval for treatment your doctor's ordered, and if the insurance company doesn't approve or deny that treatment, there's a phone call with a judge where basically the treatment is discussed with the judge, and the judge may move forward and order that treatment. And that phone call is scheduled pretty quickly from when the Form WC-PMT is filed. There's also a couple of other options. One is filing a motion with the State Board of Workers' Compensation to request that a judge approve the specific medical treatment or testing that's being recommended. Or you can also request a workers' compensation hearing with a workers' compensation judge where you would have an opportunity to put forward all the evidence that you have to get specific treatment. Now, as to which is the best method to take to get your treatment approved, that varies based on the situation. It's something I recommend if you're dealing with treatment that's being delayed or denied. It's a good opportunity to speak with a workers' compensation attorney, get a free consultation, discuss your specific issue, and decide based on kind of exactly where in your case you are, what's being recommended, and what the different options are. An attorney may be able to give you information about how best to move forward. I hope you found this information about getting medical treatment in workers' compensation cases helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you want to view more videos from the Georgia Workers' Compensation video series, they're all available on our Perkins Studdard Workers' Compensation channel on YouTube. And you can subscribe to that channel if you'd like to be notified of future videos as they come out. If you do want to set up a free consultation with me about your workers' compensation case, there's two easy ways that you can do that. One is by calling the phone number on the bottom of the screen, or the other is by visiting our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com, where you can click on the free consultation request form there, just complete it and submit it, and someone from our office will reach out to you to get a consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injury.